Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty unboxing, review, and setup of the Sodastream TERRA. Inside the box, you will find a user's manual, CO2 cylinder, carbonating bottle, and Sodastream TERRA. Let's get started. Remove the plastic cover and pull off the cap on the CO2 cylinder. Pull open the back cover of the Sodastream, insert the CO2 cylinder, lower the quick connect handle, and replace the back cover. Fill the carbonating bottle to the fill line. Insert the bottle into the snap lock, pushing it up and back. Now push the carbonation button on top of the Sodastream in 1 second increments, 3 times for standard fizz and 5 times for strong fizz. If you want, you can now add flavor into the bottle per your preference. This is a definite recommendation for anyone who likes carbonated drinks. Ole ole, another down and dirty unboxing, setup, and review. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.